Hello guys, welcome to my channel Quiz Nova. Let's start test your brain with 10 questions. Question 1. Which is the largest ocean on earth? A. Atlantic Ocean, B. Indian Ocean, C. Pacific Ocean. Time's up. The correct answer is C. Pacific Ocean. Now, the interesting fact. The Pacific Ocean covers about one-third of Earth's surface, making it larger than all the land on Earth combined. Question number 2. Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Venus, B. Mars, C. Jupiter. The correct answer, B. Mars. Interesting facts. Mars looks red because its surface is covered with iron oxide rust. Question 3. Which is the fastest land animal? A. Lion, B. Tiger, C. Cheetah. The correct answer, C. Cheetah. Now, interesting fact. A cheetah can reach speeds of up to 120 km/h and 75 mph in just a few seconds. Question 4. What is the capital of Australia? A. Sydney, B. Melbourne, C. Canberra. The correct answer, C. Canberra. Now, interesting fact. Many people think Sydney is Australia's capital, but the real capital is Canberra. Question 5. Which is the longest river in the world? A. Amazon River, B. Nile River, C. Yangtze River. Time's up. The correct answer, B. Nile River. Now, interesting fact. The Nile flows throughout 11 countries, more than almost any other river in the world. Question 6. Which is the largest mammal on earth? A. African elephant, B. Blue whale, C. Giraffe. The time's up. The correct answer, B. Blue whale. Interesting fact. A blue whale kangaroo alone can weigh as much as an elephant. Question number 7. Which country has the largest population? Option A. India, B. China, C. United States. Time's up. The right answer, A. India. Interesting fact. India became the world's most populous country in 2023. Question 8. Which is the smallest continent? A. Europe, B. Australia, C. South America. The time's up. The right answer, B. Australia. Interesting fact. Australia is the only continent that is also a single country. Question 9. Which gas do planets absorb from the atmosphere? A. Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. Carbon dioxide. The time's up. Answer, C. Carbon dioxide. Interesting fact. One large tree can help produce enough oxygen each year for several people. Question 10. Which is the hardest natural substance on earth? A. Gold, B. Iron, C. Diamond. The time's up. Right answer is C. Diamond. Interesting fact. Diamond form deep inside the earth under extremely high pressure. Thanks for watching and subscribe.